Welcome to Ecn Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar trades slightly lower near the 65-cent handle. Nevertheless, from this pattern and its recent strength, I still feel there is further upside coverage and potentially looking towards 65, 62, 66 cents, with any pullback likely to be limited around 64.90 and still strong demand seen from the lower side of 64 to 64.5. Still, caution dominates as market awaits the House vote in the US to finalize the bill to reopen the US government. The Senate approved 60-40 deal to reopen the government, sending the bill to the House for final approval. Funding is restored through to January 30. The US dollar, however, looks towards 99.25, pulling back from its highs above 100. And also could see further weakness if the potential rate cut emerges in December, which is now priced in over 60%. Turning to the euro, the market is still somewhat bullish, but it hit the trend line and backed away from 116.1535. From the pullback, there is still further gains, and a break there would give further room to 116.5 to 117. Any weakness likely to be shallow, with support seen around 115.45. Turning to dollar yen, we're back at the bull trap, or close to it, as we've recently seen around 154 figure to 154.5. Nevertheless, from this region, I'm a little bit cautious. There is good weakness from the MACD and divergence coming in here as the market attempts to push higher. So no doubt we could see a snap and look back towards 153.65 and the key level beneath at 152.90, which needs to break to open the way back towards 150. Sterling still a little bit mixed given the recent strength, but overall I am still bullish and I expect to see a move beyond 132 and possibly up to around 132.5 to 133. Any weakness to be shallow. Finishing off with commodities, still relatively firm since cruising through that 4,100 level and now looks towards 4,200. There has been much speculation that 4,500 could be on the cards. Nevertheless, since that weakness and this rounding bottom and now coming through looks towards that upside, and with any pullback I expect to be shallow. Oil was also firmer overnight and looking towards that key target of 62.5, with any pullback seen around 59.60 as support. Well, that's about it. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to the day.